curious to know what the benefits are of installing energy-efficient replacement windows in your Calgary home? At GreenFox Windows Doors, we have all the answers. These windows will ultimately save money on your energy bills. In addition, because your HVAC unit will need to work less to keep your home comfortable, you'll spend less on maintenance and repairs. Energy-efficient replacement windows often feature a low emissivity coating that filters UV rays. This provides better protection for furniture, flooring, and carpets, as well as for anyone with light sensitivities. This type of window also offers amazing sound dampening properties. When you upgrade your windows, you won't have to listen to the neighbor's dog bark all night long. Regular windows are often susceptible to condensation, which leads to mold and mildew growth. Not only is this ugly, but it can also lead to health problems for everyone in your Alberta area home. Energy-efficient windows reduce condensation issues. Upgrading your windows will often help skyrocket the resale value if you plan to sell your home. Many buyers are looking for properties with money-saving features. So, if you're in the market for energy-efficient replacement windows, call the experts at GreenFox Windows Doors for your free consultation.